Hi everyone, this is your grade 5 social science chapter 5 changes on the earth's surface video 3. The next topic is gradual changes. Gradual changes on the earth's surface. Let us now find out how gradual changes take place on the earth's surface. Do you know that surface of the earth keeps changing gradually because of heat, wind and water? Rocks break away into tiny particles and are carried away to distant places by wind, blowing wind and water. All this happens as a continuous process due to weathering and erosion. Such changes cause landforms to change over a period of time. The first one is weathering. Weathering. What is weathering? It is the breaking up of big rocks into smaller pieces. S. Causes of weathering. The rocks on the surface of the earth undergo change over a period of time due to exposure of air, water and change in temperature. Big rocks break up into smaller pieces by the force of blowing wind and running water. These rocks are also broken into smaller pieces by the changing temperature. In extreme heat, the minerals in the rocks get heated and expand. Sometimes water enters the cracks inside the rocks. When the temperature is below freezing point, the water inside the rock changes into ice. This ice expands and widens the cracks and ultimately rocks breaks down into tiny particles or else pebbles or stones. Continuous expanding and contracting of rocks due to change in weather or temperature loosen their particles and they gradually break up into smaller rocks. The next topic is erosion. The blowing wind and running water not only break the rocks into smaller pieces, they also carry these pieces of stones and pebbles into distant places. This carrying away of broken rock material by water, wind and ice is called erosion. So next is causes of erosion. Causes of erosion. There are two main agents that cause erosion. First one is fast blowing wind. Second is flowing water. These are the two main agents which cause erosion. Okay. Erosion has increased due to human activities like deforestation, construction of buildings, cattle grazing, etc. A large part of Earth's fertile soil is lost due to erosion. Action of high-speed wind and water carries agricultural soil from mountains and plains to the oceans. Soil erosion can make the soil infertile and unsuitable for agriculture. Okay, the next one is summarization. We can summarize the constant changes on the Earth's surface. Changes on the Earth's surface divided into two. One is sudden changes and another one is gradual changes. Under sudden changes, you have earthquake and volcanic eruption. Under gradual changes, weathering and erosion. Okay, weathering and erosion. So children, we have completed the practice zone 2 in live class. Yes. So based on this video, there are few questions children. Answer the following. First one, what are the gradual changes that take place on the Earth's surface? Write a short note on causes of weathering. What are the two main agents that cause erosion? Write some human activities which are responsible for soil erosion. Refer page number 74 in content book for answer. Next question, summarize the constant changes on the surface of the earth. For this question also you can refer page number 75 in your content book. Okay. So thanks for watching the video. Keep watching.